Hi, I'm Kate. I'm an executive director, and I give Crowdcast a 4 out of 5. For more reviews, please click below. Because of COVID-19 and the pandemic, we had to pivot and start doing work virtually and live streaming, and that's what led us to finding Crowdcast to use for the live stream performances. Chose Crowdcast for our live stream performance because it had a lot of features that we were interested in, including a paywall and interactive elements that our audience could engage with. It also seemed really easy to use and had really great customer support. Using Crowdcast was pretty easy to get started. We did do a couple of test events to make sure that we knew kind of what we were doing with the technology end of things, but in terms of setup and preparation, that was a breeze. For those who are considering Crowdcast, I highly recommend it. You will want to prepare your audience to maximize their experience with some tips and tricks on live streaming capability, letting them know what sorts of things they can do to get the crispest, cleanest viewing. But otherwise, it's pretty easy to use. Definitely check out the support features and have fun.